This is how you're going to send bulk messages in ManyChat. So this process is what we call broadcasting. Broadcasting allows you to send a single message to all your subscribers at once. So here's how you're going to do it. So first you're going to head over to ManyChat.com, and then from here you're just going to sign in to your account or register. Now from this dashboard you're going to head over to the left side menu, and then from here, from the left side menu, you're going to click on broadcasts right here. So it usually looks like a paper crane right here. It's like an airplane icon or something, and then from here you're just going to click on new broadcast. So you're going to click on new broadcast, and then you are going to select which channel you want to start your broadcast with. So you can choose messenger or email, or depending on what kind of account is associated with yours or integrated with your ManyChat. So if in my case I only have a messenger and email logged in, so for this one I'm going to just choose messenger. So you can also have the option to choose Instagram, like I said, depending on what is linked in your account. Now from here you're just going to create your message. So for example, I am going to create a very short greeting, like good morning, and then from there you're going to have to ensure that you are following the 24-hour rule, that only messaging people who have interacted with you in the last day to avoid getting banned. Now as you can see, this is how it's going to appear in your broadcast channel, and then after that you're just going to add more content, blogs if you want, or if you want to add a button right here you can also do so. And then from there you can also like set up a schedule right here for your broadcast, so you can schedule this broadcast, and then you're going to select your target audience as well. So you're just going to click on condition right here if you want, and that's it. You can also edit your content here. Once again, you can add images, and then you can also add a gallery if you want. And that's it. Once you're done with creating your message, you can just click on preview right here, and once you're satisfied you can just click on send now, or like I said, you can also schedule it from here. And that is how you're going to send bulk messages in ManyChat, which is, like I said, what we call broadcasting. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.